That's right. Well, my motherfucker. They got a nigga shedding tears, reminiscing on my past years. This shit was hectic on me last year. It appears that I've been marked for death. My heartless breath, the underlying cause of my arrest. My life is stress, and no rest forever weary. My eyes stay teary for all the brothers that I buried in the cemetery. Shit is scary, I black on black crime legendary, but at times unnecessary. I'm getting worried. Teardrops and closed caskets. The 3 strikes law is drastic, and certain death for us ghetto bastards. What can we do when we're arrested? But open fire. Life in the pen ain't for me, cause I'd rather die. But don't cry through your despair. I wonder if the Lord still cares for us niggas on welfare. And who cares if we survive? The only time he notice a nigga is when he's clutching on the 4-5. My neighborhood ain't the same, cause all the little babies going crazy or they suffering in the game. And I swear it's like a trap, but I ain't giving up on the hood. It's all good when I go back. Hoes show me love, niggas give me props. Forever hot, cause it don't stop on my block. On my block, it never fails to be gunshots. Can't explain the mother's pain when a son drops. Black males living in hell, when will we prevail? Fear in jail, but crack sales got me living well. In a sense, I'm suicidal with this thug's life. Staying strapped, forever trapped in this drug life. God help me, cause I'm starving, can't get a job. So I resort to violent robberies, my life is hard. Can't sleep, cause all the dirt make my heart hurt. Put in work and shed tears for my dead peers. Misled from childhood where I went astray. To this day I still pray for a better way. Can't help but feel hopeless and heartbroken. From the start I felt the racism cause I'm dark. Couldn't quit the bullshit, made me represent. Hit the bar and played the star everywhere I went. In my heart I felt alone out here on my own. I closed my eyes and picture home on my block. On my block. And I can't help but wonder why so many young kids had to die. Caught strays from AKs in the drive-by. Swilling pride and homicide don't coincide. Brothers cry for broken lives, mama come inside. Cause our block is filled with danger. Used to be a close-knit community, but now we're all cold strangers. Time changes us to stones, them crack pipes. All up and down the block exterminating black life. But I can't blame the dealers. My mama's welfare check has brought the next man going real. Shit's real, I know you feel my tragedy. A single mother with a problem child, daddy free. Hanging out, picking up games in the cheap liquor. Damn, the hoochie's open, I can get the seat with her. It's a man's world. Staying strapped, fantasies of a nigga living fat. Put hell back, pipe dreams to make the night seem hopeless. Wide-eyed and losing focus on my block. That's how we do that shit. On my block. What's up, nigga? That's right. Oh, what's going down? Oh, no, for sure. Teary for all the brothers that I love. Shit is scary, I black on black crime legendary, but at times unnecessary. I'm getting worried. Teardrops and closed caskets. The 3 strikes law is drastic, and certain death for us ghetto bastards. What can we do when we're arrested? But open fire. Life in the pen ain't for me, cause I'd rather die. But don't cry through your despair. I wonder if the Lord still cares for us.